Take command of the road in the 2007 Hyundai Santa Fe. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Hyundai prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear cup holders, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a roof rack, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraint, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.